Grass up, understanding British slang. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting British slang phrase, grass up. This phrase might sound a bit mysterious at first, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it correctly in a conversation. So, let's get started. Grass up is a phrase used predominantly in the UK. It means to inform the authorities about someone's illegal or underhanded activities. The term grass, in this context, is Cockney rhyming slang. Originally, it comes from grasshopper's leap, which rhymes with sneak, and over time, it got shortened to grass. So, when someone grasses up another person, they are essentially acting as a sneak or a tattletale. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. He grassed up his colleagues for cheating on the test. 2. I can't believe you grassed me up to the boss for coming in late. These examples show how the phrase is often used in contexts where someone is revealing another person's wrongdoing. It's important to know when it's appropriate to use this phrase. Grass up is informal and mostly used in casual conversation or in contexts where slang is acceptable. It's not a phrase you would likely use in formal or professional settings. Also, be aware that it might carry a negative connotation, as nobody likes a snitch. And there you have it, grass up, demystified. Now you can confidently use this British slang in the appropriate context. Remember, language learning is all about understanding the nuances, and you've just mastered one more. Hope this video was helpful. Happy learning and see you in the next one.